Hello everyone, let's solve this question. At every point in space, a theta dot a phi is equal to 1. Is it true or is it false? Well, if you know the spherical coordinates, that is a theta, that is theta, r, theta and phi. Okay, so these three are always mutually perpendicular to each other. If you draw a three-dimensional structure, this is Z, this is Y, this is X, and if you draw the three-dimensional structure where this is R and this is theta, from Z axis we move towards it. Okay, so if I have to say the direction of A R cap, it will be along this, and if I have to say the direction of A theta cap, so it will be along this. This is A theta cap. Then next A phi basically lies on the XY plane starting from X, and if I have to find out the direction of phi, then I'll say it's along this tangent. This is A phi. But one thing that is there is that they are all mutually perpendicular to each other. That is, A phi cap is perpendicular to A r cap, and A theta cap is perpendicular to A phi cap. So suppose I have to write A theta cap dot A phi cap. So it will be magnitude is 1, but cos of angle between them is 90 degrees, and so it will be 0. So obviously this is false. This is a very easy question and you all must answer it. But one thing that I want you to understand is that these concepts about directions should be very much clear in your head. Okay, so this is A phi cap, this is A r cap, and this is A theta cap. But they are all mutually perpendicular. See, basically, if you consider a sphere, and see it as a three-dimensional structure, then you can understand this thing, that there is a point, that these three are points in space. These three, even though I have drawn it in this plain paper, but they are points in space and they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay, and this will be somewhere inside the paper or whatever the direction of A phi cap is. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.